Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Deshit. Today, I am going to conduct a social science class for the students of class 2. Our today's topic is Lesson 14, Fill in the blanks, matching, MCQ and question answer. I repeat, our today's topic is Lesson 14, Fill in the blanks, matching, MCQ and question answer. Dear students, look at board. It is our fourth lecture. It is our fourth lecture on our annual term syllabus and SW number 3. I repeat, this is our fourth lecture and SW number 3. Dear students, before going to our main session, I want to tell you the summary of our previous class so that you can remember what we learned in our previous class. The name of our today's lesson 14 is Our School, Our Duties. We go to our school every day and we go there to learn our daily lesson. In our school, we have many classrooms. During the National Assembly, we sing our national anthem and we have some duties also. So what are our duties? That means we go to our school in time. Before going to school, we keep or we take books, reference books or exercise book, pencil, erasers in our bags. We listen to our teachers, that means class teacher and subject teacher, very carefully. We don't quarrel with our classmates or friends. And we take part in our examination and to the cultural functions. If we follow all these rules, that means our future lives will be better. Dear students, these are the summary of lesson 14, Our School, Our Duties. Now we will go to our main session. It is fill in the blanks, matching, MCQ and question answer. I repeat, this fill in the blanks, matching, MCQ and question answer. So all of you looked, at first it is fill in the blanks. I have given you only two fill in the blanks. So look here, number 1, we have dash to our school. So what we have? We have duties to our schools. So in the blank we will write duties, DUTIES. I repeat, it is duties. We have duties to our school, DUTIES, duties. Number 2, we should dash our teachers. What will be the answer? We should obey our teachers. It will be obey or respect our teachers, OBEY, obey. So look, I have written here obey. Obey means respect. We should obey our teachers. Now matching. Look here, it is column A and column B. I have given you 3 matching, A, B and C. On the right side, it is Roman number 1, 2, 3. Look at the first one. There is a library option in our school. Our duties, morning, day assembly every day. So answer will be, there is a library in our school. It is A plus I. There is a library in our school. So look, I have written like this. There is a library in our school. Full stop. Number B, we have our teachers morning, day assembly every day. So we have morning and day assembly every day. B number, B plus 3, 1, 2, 3. we have morning oblique day assembly, ASSEMBLY assembly every day. So look, B plus 3, we have morning oblique day assembly every day. This morning, NING, MORNING, morning oblique day assembly every day. Last matching, the C number, C plus, we should obey in our school. No, on our teachers morning day assembly every day. We have already written in our school and morning day assembly every day. That means 2 number is left. It is our teachers. We should obey our teachers. That means C plus 2. We should obey our teachers. So look, I am telling again, C plus 2, we should obey our teachers. Dear students, now matching is done. We will go to choose the correct answer or MCQ or multiple choice question. It is written here M.C.Q, that means multiple choice questions, or choose the correct answer or MCQ. Now number 1, we go to school dash. Option, play, learn, sleep. So I hope that all of you know the answer. That is, we go to school, learn, or to learn. We go to school, learn. Number 2, our school has dash classrooms. Option, no, some, many. It will be, our school has many classrooms. Number 3, we should keep our classrooms. Option, clean, dirty, noisy. We know the answer. It is, we should keep our classrooms clean. It will be clean. MCQ is done. We will go to the answer the following short questions. So look, I have given you only 2 short questions. Look at number 1 or A. Why do we go to school? Why do we go to school? Answer, we go to our school every day. We go to school for learning. Okay, I have taken this answer from our social studies book. It is, we go to our school every day. We go to school for learning. Number B, which things do we take to school? Answer, we take our books, exercise books, pencils and erasers in our school bags. I am telling again, we take our books, exercise books, pencils and erasers in our school bags. So answer the following question session is done. Now look, I have given your SW. Your SW, this is our third SW. SW is lesson 14. That means this is lesson 14. Our school, our duties. It is fill in the blanks 1 and 2. So look at the first one. It is fill in the blanks. It is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Only 2 fill in the blanks. Then question answer 1 and 2. So look at the last. It is answer the following questions. I have given you 2 short questions. It is A and B or 1 and 2. That means your SW is fill in the blanks 1 and 2 and question answer 1 and 2. Very easy, not so much difficult. Now I hope that all of you have understood our today's interesting class. Keep practicing again and again and listen to your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.